Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from Binance to Revolut. So make sure that you have both the application Revolut and the Binance inside your mobile phone. Now step one is just open the Binance application, and once you're at the home page, it depends on the currency, whatever currency you want to send. Like let's say I have USD in my account, which I currently don't have, but let's say I have USD. Just click on USD and click on send, and they will ask you like send to Binance users, P2P trading, or on-chain withdraw. So you can just directly click on on-chain withdraw. So after that, they will ask you to paste the address and make sure to select the network as well. Let's say that make sure to copy the address and like let me just turn it to 20. Let's say like this is the address that I chose. So make sure to, when you copy the address from the Revolt application, make sure that you have copied the USDT same currency address, paste the address, and the network is also same as you select from the Binance. Make sure to paste the address. Like let's say this is the address, which is kind of random. And in this section, you just need to enter the amount. Let's say I want to transfer 50 USD. Just enter the amount, or you can just enter max, whatever your choice is, and just click on withdraw. And once you click on withdraw, they will ask you to confirm it. And once you confirm it, that will be directly transferred. The only thing that you need to make sure is that the network and the address is of the same currency. Either in my case, it is USDT and the network is TRC20, or it depends on you, whatever currency you're choosing or whatever network you're choosing. It is same on both Binance and Revolt. And after that, you will be able to transfer your money from Binance to Revolt. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.